Hello students, today I am going to give you the Laikaris of Tal, that is Digun, Tingun and Chagun. I already give you all the Tal and Talalipi. Today we are discussing about the Chautal, Laikaris of Chautal. So I already give you Chautal and its Talalipi and the Theka also. So today I am going to give you Dugun, Tingun and Chogun of Chautal. So there is a formula, you have to write down the formula, then you have to do the sum, and after that you have to write the Laikari Theka. That is the process. So first one, it is a formula. The formula number 1 is total matras of Tal. Whichever Tal you are taking, total matras of Tal. Second one is number of Abhagraha after each bowl of Theka. Okay, Abhagraha means it's a symbol, it's a counting mainly. Okay, and third one is division of each matra equals to Laikari Gun. Laikari Guns means it's Digun or Chagun or whatever the Laikari speed is, that is the thing. Division of each matra is equals to Laikari Gun. If it is Dugun, then it will be 2 every time Laikari Gun. We are coming to the Tal. If result of the math is 0, then no, for Abhagraha, the number of Abhagraha, if the result of the math is 0, then no Abhagraha should be written after bowl. Okay. So, what is number of Abhagraha after each bowl of Theka equals to Laikari Guns. If we are taking 2, so we put 2 by 1. We write like this, 2 by 1. Okay, so 2 into 1 minus 2 divided by 2. That is the thing. How to sum the Abhagraha. Okay, then I am coming to Dugun. What is Dugun? In this we have to, and I am talking about Dugun in sum to sum. There are 2 kinds of Dugun, Tingun, Chogun, every Laikari. That is first one is Ekavartan and another one is sum to sum. We are talking about sum to sum Laikari. And the formula I said you, that is also for sum to sum Laikari, not for the Ekavartan Laikari. Okay. In these we have to start Tal from sum and show it twice and again return to sum. Okay, now we are coming to the formula. Total number of matra, here we are talking about Chautal. So there is 12 matra in Chautal. So total number of matra is 12. Division of each matra, because we are doing Dugun, because that's why it is 2. And number of Abhagraha, that math I told you, 2 into 1 minus 2 divided by 2 equals to 0. Okay, then Theka of Dugun Laikari should be, we said it twice like this, but the matras should be, and divisions and symbols should be same like this. Dha, now I am doing the Theka, then I will start the sum to sum Digun Laikari. Dha, dha, then ta, kat, ta, ge, then ta, te, te, ka, ta, ga, di, ghe, ne, dha, dha, then ta, kat, ta, ge, then ta, te, te, ka, ta, ga, di, ghe, ne, dha, dha, then ta, kat, ta, ge, then ta, te, te, ka, ta, ga, di, ghe, ne, dha. Okay, that's all for Dugun. Coming back to Tingun. What is Tingun? The formula will be same. In this laya, we have to start the Tal from sum and show it thrice and again return to sum. Okay, the whole Tal we have to say it thrice. So our formula is total number of matra 12, division of matra. Now the division of matra is what? Laikari gun. So Laikari gun is now 3. So thrice 3 gun because 3. So 3 by 1. Number of avagraha 3 into 1 minus 3 divided by 3 equals to 0. So there is no avagraha. And theka of 3 gun Laikari now I am showing you. First theka, then the Laikari. Dha, dha, then ta, tat, ta, ge, then ta, te, te, ka, ta, ga, di, ghe, ne, dha, dha, then ta, kat, ta, ge, then ta, te, te, ka, ta, ga, di, ghe, ne, dha, dha, then ta, kat, ta, ge, then ta, te, te, ka, ta, ga, di, ghe, ne, dha, dha, then ta, kat, ta, ge, then ta, te, te, ka, ta, ga, di, ghe, ne, dha. The speed of my hand and the talikhali is same, just we are doing the bowls in one matra, 3 bowls in one matra. Okay, then next we are coming to as it is, the number of matras should be same in the theka writing, and the talikhalis should be same, and the division also. So next we are going to chaugun. It is a 4/4. Now we do 2-2, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, then 1-2, 3, 1-2, 3, 1-2, 3. Then we are going to be going to do 1-2, 3-4, 1-2, 3-4, 1-2, 3-4 like that. So what is chaugun laya? In this laya, start the tal from sum and show it 4 times and again return to sum. Okay. Now the formula. Total number of matra as usual 12. Now the division of each matra is going to be 4. Number of avagraha, again 4 into 1 minus 4 divided by 4 equals to 0. And theka of chaugun Laikari is like that. First I am showing you the theka, then I am showing you the chaugun theka. Dha, dha, then ta, kat, ta, ge, then ta, te, te, ka, ta, ga, di, ghe, ne, dha, dha, then ta, kat, ta, ge, then ta, te, te, ka, ta, ga, di, ghe, ne, dha, dha, then ta. Sorry, I am repeating. Dha, dha, then ta, kat, ta, ge, then ta, te, te, ka, ta, ga, di, ghe, ne, dha, dha, then ta, kat, ta, ge, then ta, te, te, ka, ta, ga, di, ghe, ne, dha, dha, then ta, kat, ta, ge, then ta, te, te, ka, ta, ga, di, ghe, ne, dha, dha, then ta, kat, ta, ge, then ta, te, te, ka, ta, ga, di, ghe, ne, dha. Okay, so you have to practice it like that, and if you have any problem, discuss with me in the class. Okay, that's all.